Good afternoon, children. How are you? Are you fine? Okay, let's start our class. In our last class, we discussed about the lesson. In our last class, we discussed our lesson. What's the lesson name? Do you remember? What's our lesson name? Yes, my baby sister. My baby sister. It's our chapter name. It's our lesson name. My baby sister. Do you like the story? This is a story. Do you like the story? Yes, very good. Do you read the story from your home? Okay, good. You all read it from your home. It's very good. Today, once again I introduce you the lesson. I repeat it, okay? I explain the lesson once again for you, okay? Look at your textbook. Take page number 9. Take page number 9. I am very happy. Amma has come home with a baby. I am very happy. I am very happy. I feel very happy. Why I am happy? Who is speaking here? The boy. The boy is speaking here. The boy is very happy. Why the boy is very happy? He is very happy because his Amma came home with a baby. Came home with a baby. She is my sister. Whose sister? The boy's sister. The baby is the boy's sister. She is very small. She is baby. So, the baby is very small. The babies are very small, isn't it? Yeah. The boy is very happy. He is very happy. Why he is happy? He is happy because his Amma came home with a baby. That is, the baby is the boy's sister. And the baby is very small. The baby is very small. Don't make any noise. Amma says the baby will wake up. Amma says to the boy. Amma says to the boy, don't make noise. Don't make noise. Why Amma says don't make noise? Amma says to the boy, don't make noise because the baby will wake up. The baby will wake up. So, the Amma says to the boy, don't make noise. Don't make any noise. Amma brings a toy. What is it? I ask. Amma brings a toy. Amma brings a toy. The boy asks to Amma, what is it? What is it? He don't know what is the toy's name. It is a rattle. She says, shake the rattle. She will stop crying. She will stop crying. Amma says to the boy, this is a rattle. Do you know what is rattle? You see the rattle in our last class. Okay. Rattle, a toy that makes noise when you shake it. It is a toy that makes sound when you shake it. Shake the rattle. She will stop crying. Amma says to the boy to shake the rattle. If he shake the rattle, the baby stop crying. The baby stop crying. Yes. I shake the rattle near the baby. I, the boy, shake the rattle near the baby. The boy shake the rattle near the baby. Now the baby is happy. Now the baby is happy. Now the baby is happy. She smiles at me. She smiles to the boy. I think she loves me. The boy thinks the baby loves him. The baby loves him. I love her too. The boy also loves her. The boy also loves his sister. This is the story. Okay, you understand now? Okay. Now take page number 10. Take page number 10. Read and write. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The baby is very, first one, the baby is very dash. The baby is very dash. The baby is very, yes, in the lesson, the baby is very, yes, small. The baby is very small. Okay, write in your textbook. The baby is very small. Second one, she is the boys. She is the boys. Who is she? The boys? Yes, sister. The boys' sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. You know the spelling of sister that you already learned. In your EVS class, you already learned the spelling of sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. She is the boy's sister. And the third one, the boy shakes the dash. The boy shakes. The boy shakes the dash. Dash. What the boy shake? A toy. The boy shake a toy. What is its name? What is it? Yes, rattle. It is a rattle. It is a rattle. It is a rattle. Okay? You write in your textbook. Okay? Write this in your textbook. Okay? And now we are answering the question. The second exercise is answering the question. Can you read the question? Okay, I read the question. Who brought the baby home? Who brought the baby home? First one. Who brought the baby home? Who brought the baby home? Who brought? Tell me who brought? Yes, Amma. Amma brought the baby home. The Amma brought the baby home. Who brought the baby home? Amma brought the baby home. Okay? Take your textbook and write now, and also in your notebook. You write the question and answer in your notebook also. Amma. Who brought the baby home? Amma. Say, who brought the baby home? Amma. Who brought the baby home? Amma. Okay, Amma brought the baby home. You only write Amma. Okay. The second question. What is the second question? Why does Amma ask the boy not to make any noise? Why does Amma ask the boy not to make any noise? Why Amma says no, don't make noise? Yes, the baby will wake up. The baby will wake up. The baby will wake up. So Amma says the boy don't make any noise. Why does Amma ask the boy not to make any noise? Because the baby will wake up. The baby will wake up. So Amma says the boy Don't make any noise. Don't make any noise. Okay. Why does Amma says Amma asks, why does Amma ask the boy not to make any noise? Any noise? Question mark. Okay. Why does Amma ask the boy not to make any noise? Why does Amma ask the boy not to make any noise? Because the baby will wake up. Amma asks the boy not to make any noise because the baby will wake up. The baby will wake up. Answer. The baby will wake up. The baby will wake up. So Amma says the boy not to make any noise. Why does Amma ask the boy not to make any noise? Because the baby will wake up. The baby will wake up. The baby will wake up. Okay. May I erase this? We finish. Okay. Okay. The third question. What does the baby do when she wakes up? What does baby do when she wakes up? What does the baby do? You know? Yes, she cries. She cries. She starts crying. The baby starts crying when she wakes up. Is it? Yes, the baby starts crying when she wakes up. You write the question. What does the baby do when she wakes up? What does the baby do when she wakes up? What does the baby do when she wakes up? What does the baby do when she wakes up? The baby starts crying. The baby starts crying. Baby cries. When the baby wakes up, she starts crying. When the baby wakes up, baby cries. Baby cries. She starts crying. Okay. You write the answer. Baby cries. Baby cries. That is it. Baby cries. What does the baby do when she wakes up? What does the baby do when she wakes up? The baby starts crying. Baby cries. Baby cries. Okay. May I erase this? The fourth question. What has Amma brought for the baby? What has Amma brought for the baby? What Amma brought for the baby? What Amma bring? Do you remember? Yes, a rattle. Rattle is a toy. Okay. What has, write the question. What has Amma brought for the baby? 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 Amma brings a toy. Amma brings a toy. You just write a toy. A toy. Okay? All of you write this question answer in your textbook and also in your notebook. You must write in your textbook and in your notebook. You write the question and answer in your notebook. Okay? May I erase this? Okay. We are going to our grammar parts. Okay, grammar. Aisha, Hannah, Rizwan. What is this? Tell me. Aisha, Hannah, Rizwan, Fana. Do you know what is this? Yes, name. These are names. These are names of a person. These are names of a person. I read this. Aisha, Hannah, Rizwan, Fahana, rat, cat, ox, pig, Kovilandi, Kozhikode, box, pen. Here you can see many words. Can you? Yes. Aisha, Hannah, Rizwan, Fahana. You know this is name. Name of a person. These are the name of a person. You know, these are the name of a person. Can you identify this? R-A-T, rat. C-A-T, cat. O-X, ox. P-I-G, pig. Can you identify? Can you name this? What is its name? Yes, these are animals. These are animals. What is this? These are animals. Rat, cat, ox, pig. These are animals. Look here. Kovilandi, Kozhikode. What is this? This is the name of a place. These are the name of a place. These are the name of a place. Box, pen. What is this? It's also a name. It's the name of a thing. It's the name of things. It's the name of things. It's the name of person. These are the name of person. These are the name of animals. And these are the name of place. And this is also the name of things. Can you identify this? Yes. We can call all these names as noun. We can call all these names as noun. We are going to learn about noun. We are going to learn about noun. What is a noun? We are going to learn about noun. A noun is a place, person or thing's name. Okay, it is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. It is all people, places, animals and things have name. All places, people, animals and things have name. These naming words are called noun. The naming words are called noun. Sometimes the noun is a person or a place or a thing or a animal. Okay, we know. Aisha. What is Aisha? A person. It is a noun. Aisha is a noun. It is a person's name. Aisha is a person's name. It is a person. Box. When we write box, it is a thing. Box is a thing. It is also a noun. It is also a noun. Box is also a noun. It is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. So, box is also a noun. C-A-T, cat. Cat is the name of a animal. Cat is the name of a animal. So, it is also called a noun. It is also a noun. And Koilandi. Koilandi is a place. Koilandi is a place. This is the name of a place. Koilandi is the name of a place. So it is also a noun. It is also a noun. Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. It is the name of a person, thing, animal or place. Noun is a naming word. It is the name of a person, place, thing or animal. It is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. You got it? Okay. May I write this? Take page number 10. There is an exercise for you. Okay. Write the name of these toys. Write the name of these toys. Can you see the picture? Yes. What is this? It's a ball. What is this? Ball. What is this? Car. What is this? Doll. You know the name of these things. You know the name of these things. This is a noun. These are all are noun. This is the name of a things. Okay. From your home, you can write this. You know the spelling. What is the spelling of ball? B-A-L-L. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. C-A-R. Car. Third one. G-O-L-L. Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Okay. Fill the blanks from your home. Okay. You write that. Next one. There is another example. Write the name of the picture. Choose the words from the box. First of all, I write the box. Sheep, teacher, bicycle, school, girl, bus. Once again, I read it. Sheep, teacher, bicycle, school, girl, bus. You can see the pictures. Is it? Yes, you can see the pictures here. You can identify the name of these. You know the name of these things, isn't it? Yes, you know this is a bus, this is a girl, sheep. Like that, you can take the word from here, the appropriate word, the correct word of the picture, and write here. What is this? Bus. What is the bus here? The last one is bus, B-U-S, bus. So you write here bus. Okay. That also you can do from your home. That you can do from your home. Okay. It's time to wind up our class. Okay. You do the exercise number C and D from your home with the help of your parents. And you also write exercise number B into your notebook. Write into your notebook and also into your textbook. When you are writing in your notebook, you write the question and answer. Okay? Write it properly and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Thanks for listening.